Good morning. This morning I want to talk to you about what is Forex support and resistance. I was doing a quick video. It's currently 7 a.m. Eastern, and I was looking at the Euro JPY currency pair, doing a little bit of analysis. I'm buying this currency this morning. What is Forex? Mainly support and resistance. We can see, you can get my book on Amazon, What the Heck is Forex? You can join my email list at www.firedupforex.com, and as we continue to learn together about this incredible market where it's an ocean of opportunity. And we said, if you sign up to my www.firedupforex.com, you can join my email list, but you also get a free gift about why the FX market is a snake. It's a snake because it moves like a snake, winding between ceilings of resistance and floors of support. You see that the market moves here, finds some resistance, pulls back, it goes through, breaks through this level, pulls back, and we have some support here. Goes up here, finds a little bit of resistance, goes up, touches resistance here. What is important to note is that past resistance can become future support, and we see it here. Past resistance becoming future support. Past resistance here, all the way in the future, can become future support levels here. Market goes up and finds resistance here. It's bullish, finds resistance, hits the ceiling, and bounces back down. Becomes bearish, finds support, goes up, breaks through that level, finds support, goes up, finds support again, goes up, and look at this again, comes back and finds support here. So resistance, support, support, almost support level, support, and a little bit of support here before it breaks through. Goes up, finds some resistance. It's not exact. These are certain levels where the market tends to turn. So in a simple way, we could say that this may be a pivot point, because when the market hits, it pivots. The market rises, hits, pivots, or bounces. It passes through, comes back, and pivots, and goes back. Comes back down, pivots, goes back up. So it can be considered a pivot point. Look at what happens here. It goes down, comes back up, and finds resistance here, and then the market falls. Right? So we see this is kind of a level of support here. So resistance and support. What is happening with resistance and support? Well, traders that they tend to buy and sell at certain levels. So at this level, traders tend to buy and sell. Traders that are buying here tend to get out at this level. And when the market sells off here, when the buyers come back in again, some of them will get out at this level, and some of them will then buy at this level. When the market goes up here, when the market comes down here, the sellers get out of the trade at this level. A lot of them, and the buyers come in, and the buyers start buying up to here. A lot of buyers came in here, as you can see, and then the sellers took over again, and this is a level of resistance here. Put that there. There's a level of resistance here. It's a ceiling. Right? It goes up, hits the ceiling here at 130.84 price level, and a big sell-off happens. And look at this sell-off. It's a lot of come on. This is over 40 hours. This is hourly chart I'm looking at. That's 212 pips on the euro dollars in the past 40 hours. Trading a standard lot that is $2,000 of worth of pips. Trading 10 standard lots, of course, is $20,000 worth of pips if you had sold anyway in this region. Possibility. Market is all about possibility. A lot of support and resistance are the basics. Trend lines are important. This is an uptrend line here, but trend lines is basically support and resistance that is on a slant. Alright, so this is a line of support here. This is straight across. Slanted levels of support and resistance are a trend line. This is an uptrend line here. Trend lines are also important, but you have to learn how to draw them properly. We have market support here, support here. So as the market moves in waves, it snakes its way. We see that this trend line gives it is a level of support here. When the market comes down and breaks a trend line, we expect it to come back up a little bit toward the trend line, and it may come back up and find resistance here. So just as how in the past resistance becomes support on a trend line, resistance once the market breaks through can form support as well. Support can form resistance as well. So it's all a part of learning how the market moves, and a lot of traders use trend lines as well to analyze the market. But support and resistance are fundamental principles. I cover them in some depth in my book, and we keep on coming back to support and resistance in our analysis to learn how to trade Forex in a simple way. You have a great day. Get my book on Amazon or follow me at www.firedupforex.com. Blessings.